Another awardee. Let me call on top 19 awardee, Mr. Justin Punsala.
Sino yun? Sino yun?
So yung mga awardees, huwag mo muna kayo umalis, ha? Another awardee, top 18 awardee. Let me call on Ma'am Catalina Gunay, Rising Star and Director. Ganda ba si Ma'am Catalina? All right.
Congratulations.
Please come on stage.
Also, congratulations to our top 17 performer, Mr. Roberto La Rosa. Yun mo yung slide ni Ma'am Cathy. Get ready, ating next. Again, you are the top 17 performer, Sir Mamerto La Rosa. Yes.
As we're taking the photo of the top 17 awardee, ayan. Congratulations, Sir Mamerto. Let me call on now the top 16 awardee, Rising Star and Director, Ma'am Edna Collet. So nire-recognize mo natin, yung pong talagang effort ng mga leaders na ito.
Congratulations dahil ikaw ang top 15 performer, Sir Jerry Holo.
Alright, give it up for Sir Jerry!
Andyan po ba si Sir Jerry?
Alright, so on behalf of Sir Jerry, we have to keep muna because he is out, nasa Iran siya for immediate,
Okay, let's move on to our top 14 performer. Congratulations, you are the top 14, Sir Michael Hernandez.
Alright, on behalf of Sir Michael Hernandez, we will be receiving the plaque of appreciation as he is not present.
Let's move on to our top 13 performer. Congratulations, Sir Delio Liwan.
Sir Delio. Alright, so hahapon si Sir Delio, But nevertheless, at least, kahit na nahuli man, makakahabol pa rin.
Congratulations! Ikaw ang top 12, Ma'am Violeta Banawa.
Alright!
Palakpakan naman natin yung mga awards, ha?
Violeta.
Yes.
Okay, let's have a photo op, very quick photo op. And let's call on the top 11 awardee. This one is with the Promising Club and Supervisor, Ma'am Michelle Joy Marquez. So on behalf of Ma'am Michelle Joy Marquez, we'll be receiving the plaque and the sash.
Alright, so let's move on to our top 10 performer. Congratulations, Ma'am Baby Lita Elejo. Ma'am Baby. Palakpak naman tayo dyan.
so dito muna natin, no? Dito muna until top 10 muna tayo. Okay. Alright. And then top 10 muna, and then can we have all the, later na siguro yung lahat sila. No?
Sige, photo
Oh,
op
top 10
muna.
muna. Please come in front for the photo op. And then in between, we'll have a raffle draw.